I'm going to show you how you can easily take out money from Tapswap. First, open the Telegram application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, use the search bar at the top to find Tapswap. Once you locate it, tap on the Tapswap channel to enter. Now, tap on the play button to start interacting with the platform. After that, look for and tap on the swap option. This will take you to the section where you can exchange your funds. Now, enter the amount of money you wish to withdraw. Make sure to double-check the amount to ensure it is correct. Then, tap on Connect Wallet. You may need to select your preferred wallet from the options provided. Follow any prompts to authorize the connection. Once your wallet is connected, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the withdrawal process. Finally, check your wallet to confirm that the funds have been successfully transferred.